yeah.
Oh, there's another one. You gotta pull.
Unlock.
You gotta pull.
Pull what? It's locked.
There you go.
There we go. Well.
You sure you want to come in still?
Absolutely. Let me just grab this for you real quick.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Yeah, let me throw that in the back.
It's hand tight.
Hand tight. It's safe.
Oh, there's pedestrians.
Oh my god. Shit. Man, that thing really works.
Yeah. I literally live right there. No,
Yeah.
I don't live right there, actually. It's not where I live.
What?
Gas pedal.
Okay.
It's alright, we can make it back to Jess's. Oh, we got a bump start again. Alright, so I gotta make it to the top of the hill. And I got no power or anything. Okay. Alright.
This is probably the best first ride of my life.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, this is great.
Absolutely terrible.
Oh, it's awesome. It's completely terrifying.
Put in gear. No parking brake. This happened once before. The cruise control got stuck.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So it just comes unhooked from the pedal?
Yeah, the cruise control kicks on. And it just goes, alright, I'm going to set here at 7,000 RPMs.
She just wants to be sent, bud.
Fuck.
We got a bump started.
Can you do it in reverse?
I don't know.
The engine still spins forward.
I don't know. I've never tried that. I mean, you can try it. Gotta get some speed. Give it a try. Well, this isn't going well.
So I think that would disconnect.
Well, we just got parents' drift car back up and running, everything back on the ground. We decided it would be a good idea to take it out for a little test run.
You know, a little shakedown.
And, well, the throttle cable decided to hang itself wide open.
Every time.
Rev to about 7,000 RPM and just bounce off the rev limiter. And we have no means of starting this car because the battery's so dead. So we were pop starting it, but we're on a decline going down this way. So we would have to pop start it in reverse, which works. But you see this is main road right here, so that's probably not a good idea. So we're waiting for Brandon to come by and bring us some jumper cables and get it back over to the house. Yeah, current situation.
You know, it's funny when I went to the event, the guy was like, "Oh, that's cruise control. I would just get rid of that right now."
Yeah, man. I mean, you're never gonna use it again.
It's happened once before on the Parkway too.
Okay, so Brandon just got here. Hey, Brandon.
You guys are ridiculous.
Hey, buddy.
You guys are honestly ridiculous.
Thanks for coming to save us, dude.
Oh, anytime. You guys are honestly ridiculous.
Did you forget to pop the hood?
Oh, that's my fault.
I'll just jump it real quick. You might have to get a little close.
What?
Yeah, dude, that's not gonna work.
What is?
Before. It's alright.
That's not.
Brandon.
What? I've used them. It's good.
I don't
I
know.
just used them like last month.
I mean, we could try it.
Yo, they're literally touching.
It's fine. It works.
No.
I've used them.
It latches, and then all of this burns and catches both cars on fire.
You want to just take us back to the house, get the jump pack?
Now you're asking for a lot.
It's right around the corner.
Get a goddamn car. Shut my fucking hood too.
I'm gonna wait here with the car.
All right.
Where's
They're back. It's pretty quick. Cop came by.
What did he say?
Nothing, I just told him the situation. He was like, oh, all right. I was like, yeah, I just wanted to go grab a jump pack real quick. We'll be out of here in a second.
You know who it was?
Yeah.
You look like you were struggling a little bit.
I'm struggling a lot of it.
Honestly, I didn't even do it for you. I did it for more of the camera so I could see a little better.
Thanks. Appreciate the honesty.
It just so
What a
happened.
good friend.
Yeah.
It just so happened to help you out.
All right. All right. Let's get out of here and get this thing home. Thanks, Brandon.
Anytime.
You're the best.
Make sure it starts.
Hood closes. Hood closes.
Unbelievable. 1 hour. 1 hour I left you guys home alone to eat. I ate. And I come back and it's broken.
It's fine.
Throttle is a little different now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, she still works.
Just lip it home. Just lip it home.
Just
Don't
get it
do
back
anything
home.
crazy.
That's usually not our motto. Okay, so we made it back to the house. Put it back in the garage. Obviously, we need a little more work.
Oh,
Dude.
I didn't do that.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Yeah, left the jump pack hooked up. Good job. Obviously, we got a little bit more work to do to prepare for the drift event at Englishtown in 2 weeks, but car's got to get in alignment anyway. A couple more things, get it all figured out.
That doesn't work.
Here, give you a little bit of light. My bad.
A little bit of light. It's that Milwaukee lumens.
Well, that was an adventure.
Yes. This is the next project over right here.
Oh, that's our Porsche, yeah. So we're gonna drop this off at AIM Performance.
Aim performance.
Yep, and they're gonna give us a sweet twin turbo kit on it.
Yeah. They said they're gonna give us a good deal.
Yeah, totally. We already have the whole drivetrain out of the back. We made sure we dropped the subframe for them just to make it easier for them. We're kind of just gonna drop off the whole rear of it.
Yeah, well here's the
Yeah.
rear axle we pulled out. Look at that.
Yeah, I
Chromoly.
mean that's
Chromoly
that's
right
at
there.
least stage 5 approved. But I think we're gonna go a little bigger. We're gonna make a little more power, you know.
Let's flex.
Yeah, no, that thing's pretty strong though. Well, guys, take note. If you're gonna build a drift car, these are the things you have to go through. Everything's not always perfect all the time. If it was, we wouldn't be able to make these videos.
Look how wide she is.
She is so wide. It looks so good. These fender flares came out good.
Oh, you like that?
Stay tuned, guys. We'll have a video up soon of this thing at the drift event. He'll make it through this time, I promise. Last time didn't go over very well, but it's got way better stuff in it now, way better parts. The front end is put together properly now. Make sure all the bolts are tight this time.
They were tight.
Yeah, right,
know.
tight. So yeah, we'll get back to you guys on that. Thanks for watching.